Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set the translate shortcut using your plus key in your OnePlus 15. At first, what you need to do is to go straight to the settings right here and scroll down here to the plus key. Tap plus key, and the first thing you should have here is the thing you have set, or plus to mind space, or none, no action. So what we have to do now is to go right, 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 or left, left, left from none until you see not record, translate. Press and hold to use a translation feature. You can tap here to change between text, camera, conversation, live, and screen. I do prefer text. And now we can tap set, and now if we here click it, we can see translate over here. Press and hold to use. Now our translator is here. Apart from the text, we do have here camera, when using the app, all limited access, for example, and we can enter our photo. And yeah, we do have a lot of cool features. Apart from the apart from the camera, we do have the conversation mode. This is my previous conversation with myself. Here we do have live, and here, as you can see, we do have screen, and we do have here full screen. Although to English, we can, for example, translate it to Korean, which is the first thing I have seen. And now it's in Korean. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.